Keeping up with Miss Blingaa and Rosealee.
We can't tell Elsa to go buy fish. Just remember that for your talk.
What
We can't
happened?
meet us and tell Elsa to go buy fish too.
You what?
We can't meet and tell you all too.
What that's supposed to mean? What you say? What that's supposed to mean?
Bias. When one snipe a class, someone say mouth water can't breathe woman, and she bad said she bad contact me. Said the soldier they take him and take him out and they carry them with the boy them. Why him not come for them? Why me?
All right, let me ask you a question, Rosealee. You notice me never follow up this blood clot something because you see one sniper and Roger, one snipe was Roger moderator. You see one time two people used to talk, me trying to follow up them blood clot things. You understand? No. The beef with you, me don't know how that gonna hear say over much. Me never care about it. That's how the two argue. One sniper Roger argue, me I tell Roger say, all right, you know what? You and one snipe really did for go down Emmanuel Road, been that the two not talk to no one another. What me I get into the two of them for? Tell me. If you and Roger have something, Rosealee, listen to what I'm saying. You play match with Roger, right?
Yeah.
So if you and Roger have something, me just a say no, because I know you no head hurt. You don't feel like say, you should have just talk differently apart from
Rosealee, which part I see you name train line? I'ma tell him. So I'm not see if I keep our match. And you show me say, Rosealee, I see if I keep our match, you know. Oh, me not see you pop up, what go on? You know could call me. So you call me ask me name train line. Yes, so the boy have blood clot cross it. Or you can call me for other things.
Alright.
Or you can give people my number for other things. So it's when them fall off, them out and look at come back off a girl name. Watch out when Roger that rain triple call me name. When Roger that rain miss me never see the Roger back.
Let me ask you one question. Roger did call your name Rosealee when Roger argue?
Yeah. Yes.
You know